Chase Sapphire Reserve us a pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're serious about travel rewards, the Chase Sapphire Reserve is a powerhouse card that combines premium perks with high earning potential. You won't believe how much value can come from using it strategically. The card earns 3 points per on travel and dining, and 1 point per on all other purchases. Points are worth 50% more when redeemed for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. That means 0 points can be redeemed for in travel instead of with standard redemption. You can also transfer points to airline and hotel partners for even greater value. While the Sapphire Reserve has a high annual fee, it comes with an annual travel credit, effectively reducing the net cost. Additional benefits include Priority Pass lounge access, global entry or TSA project fee credit, and premium travel protections. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the fee, but when you factor in the credit and perks, it's extremely valuable for frequent travelers. In conclusion, the Chase Sapphire Reserve USA is best for anyone who travels regularly and wants maximum rewards and premium benefits. If used correctly, the points, travel credits, and protections can outweigh the annual fee and deliver unmatched value for your money.